Welcome back to another video of A&A Driving School. It's a quick video to say thank you to people who have been giving me positive feedbacks regarding the videos. I really appreciate that. And if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please press the bell icon button and subscribe to my channel as well. For the next upcoming videos, don't forget to press the bell icon button. And also it's a quick video regarding the national speed limit on the single carriageways. So I may have in my previous videos mentioned that the national speed limit on a single carriageway it's 50 miles per hour. So I wanted to make sure I correct that mistake, and it is not 50, it is 60 miles per hour on a single carriageway. It was brought to my attention by one of my other colleagues, so I really appreciate that, and really thank you to her as well for pointing that out to me so that I could correct my mistake. If you have noticed any of the mistakes, please do let me know, and I'm happy. Obviously I will correct my mistakes. It's just that I made so many videos, it won't be easy for me to find out which video I said that in. That's the reason I am making this video to correct my mistake. And again, I would like to say thank you to people who have been giving me positive feedbacks, and I'm really glad to hear that my videos are helping you guys with your driving tests. And a couple of people have passed as well, first time watching my videos, so that makes me really feel good about the videos that I'm doing to help you guys. And if you have any other concern or questions, please do comment in the videos, and I will get around to your comments and obviously reply to your comments as well as soon as I get the chance. And once again, thank you very much, and you guys have a great day. Thank you.